In this video, you will see how to create MeVisLab packages. Packages are the way MeVisLab organizes projects. A package can contain any number of C++ or macro modules, installers, documentation, and test cases. The creation of an own package is mandatory for SDK users. All other wizards require a valid target package. With the package wizard, new packages can be created. For detailed information on the package structure, see the package structure documentation. The wizard allows you to define some basic properties of your new package. The group name should be something general like your company name. The package name can be set to one of the presets or defined yourself. Make sure to define a target directory which is located somewhere outside the MeVisLab installation directory so that it is not deleted after uninstalling MeVisLab. This was it. You are now able to create your own modules, macro modules, installers, automated tests, and documentation. All of these can be added to your package, which will be loaded by MeVisLab automatically in the future. You can manage your currently installed packages in the MeVisLab preferences. All installed packages are listed. You can add new packages from your device, delete them, or reach the package wizard again to create additional packages. For further information, please have a look at www.mevislab.de.